In this video, I'll show you how to create B-roll shots for your documentary-style content, just like the ones you see on YouTube. Open ChatGPT and go to the GPT store. Search for documentary-style 3D image generator and click Start Chat. You'll see two options to begin. Choose the first one that says, I will upload the image now. Now upload the image you want to recreate. I used a pirate image for mine. ChatGPT will give you a main scene prompt and 5 B-roll prompts. You can also just describe the scene, like a person sitting in a prison cell. You'll still get a main scene prompt and 5 B-roll options. ChatGPT will ask which B-roll prompt you want to generate. Choose the one you like, for example, scene 1. Next, it'll ask which aspect ratio you want. Type YouTube. ChatGPT will now generate your image. But as you'll see, the image quality might not be great. That's because AI still makes mistakes. To improve your image, copy one of the B-roll prompts and go to OpenArt. Click Generate Image and switch the model to Imagine 3 by Google. Set the output to 16:9, paste your prompt, choose how many images to make, like 4, and click Generate. As you'll see, OpenArt gives much better results. Sometimes you'll get small errors, but you can fix those with Generate Fill, or just create a new image. I also tried the prison cell example and I got results like these. You can copy and paste the other B-roll prompts to get images from different angles. That's how you build a real story with visuals. To animate your images, go to Kling AI, click the Video tab and upload one of your images. Paste this prompt from the screen and click DeepSeek to improve it. Then click Use Prompts. Now choose how many seconds you want the video to be and hit Generate. You'll get a video with sound.
Let it.
If you're not great at describing camera angles, you can use Higgsfield instead. In Higgsfield, go to Video, then click Change, and you'll see options under Basic Camera Control. Pick a shot, like Dolly Left. Upload your image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Now you get videos with camera motion, like a smooth pan from right to left. Personally, I think Kling AI gives better video quality, but both are great tools. For a documentary voiceover, go to ElevenLabs. Click the Voices tab and then Filter. Choose options like storytelling, high quality, male voice, and American accent. That way, you can create videos just like this one.
Alone in his cell, he reflected on every choice that brought him here. Regret echoed in silence. From afar, a storm approached. Fate was coming. The pirate gripped the rope. The skies darkened.
You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description and in the GPT model. Don't forget to like and subscribe.